friends, and welcome back to our channel. Today's video is going to be what's in my weekend tote. I packed a tote for the weekend and I want to show you guys how I pack my bags just for a quick weekend, a quick getaway. You know, nothing too special, but I want to show you how I use one of the totes that I got from my Victoria's Secret semi-annual haul, and I will link that video for you guys. I want to show you how I utilize that tote and the little pouches or clutch that I got around the holidays. So right now I'm just showing you an overview of the bag. We're gonna look in the top of the bag and see how it's packed. Everything is neatly inside of the bag. I have everything that I need. These bags right here are some reusable bags that I got from one of my Globe collaborative subscription unboxing. It was one of my free items, and I chose to carry these totes or bags or reusable bags because I felt like they would go great for a wet swimsuit, or you can either use them for totes. I plan on using this size right here to maybe put some snacks while we are on the road, or maybe even the larger size because you can get a lot of items in the size, and it's resealable. Like I said, you can clean it, it's reusable, and it just snaps closed like that. So that's why I have these here. So once again, we're gonna look at the tote. It is a beautiful Victoria's Secret tote. I love the chain detailing right here. I just feel like it makes the bag look really expensive. So I'm going to show you guys everything that I have inside of the bag, and we're going to start by pulling out my essentials tote or my toiletry bag. And I have a video featuring everything that I have in this bag. Usually I only carry this tote right here when I'm traveling. I try not to have too many totes when I travel, so I'm basically just featuring this bag to show you that actually I can use this bag to put everything in, but I want to use the totes that I got from Victoria's Secret just to show you how you can pack everything in these little totes in this one bag here for the weekend. And like I said, I will show you the video where I pack everything in this bag, because usually this bag right here has everything, guys. My jewelry, my toiletries, my makeup, and everything like that. So if I chose to take this bag here, as you see, it fits perfect in this Victoria's Secret tote. So we're going to start with the Victoria's Secret item. I'm actually going to start with this clutch here because I do believe it is a clutch, but I'm going to use it for my, let me see what I have in here. I think I have just my so in here I have just my underwear. So I'm going to open this up. So it looks like I have my bra and some underwear in here. Like I said, it's just a weekend, and I just have a few of my underwear in here for the weekend. And then I also placed this little tote inside of there, and inside of here I have my jewelry. So I placed the jewelry inside of this little satchel here, and I got this in one of my FabFitFun subscription. And inside of that I just have let's see what I have inside. I have my watch. Look like I have a ring inside of here, and I also have a necklace, which I might need to take that out because it's getting a little tangled. And then I have some earrings. So I'll be placing probably some more jewelry in there. I'm just showing you how, you know, I have it packed right now. And that I had inside of here. So basically, I'm just showing you how I utilize each of the pouches. And the next pouch I want to share with you guys is this pouch here. So remember in the video I showed you guys this pouch, well, this clutch, and it came with that smaller little coin, something like a coin pouch. I don't know if it's a coin pouch or what. I'm using it right now for my jewelry, and then this also came with it. So this right here I'm using for my makeup. So I'm going to show you guys what I have inside of here. So as you see, I have my makeup in here, and when I'm traveling, I like to put my foundation in little Ziploc bags like this in case it spills out or anything like that. You know, my pouches or anything that I'm carrying will not get damaged. So I have some Benign luxury powder and banana and some Fix Plus right here in the travel size. So as you see, I have these in a little Ziploc bag. And the next item is this Butter Gloss by NYX. And then I have some Better Than Sex mascara. I think I have a couple of brushes in here, not too many, just a couple. And then I have my Sweet Peach palette by Too Faced, which I'm not sure if I'm going to take that. I might have it in here. And I found this cute LA Colors eyeshadow, nude eyeshadow kit. And as you see, it has beautiful nude colors in it. And this would be the perfect little palette to put in your makeup case. It doesn't take up too much room, and it's very neutral. I feel like you can create a lot of looks with it. So I got that in there, and that is about it that I have inside of my makeup case. So I'm gonna try to slide some of these items back in here. And then the next thing I want to show you guys is, let's see what else I have in here. This, and if you guys have seen this before, because I hauled it before, this is another item that I got from my Wish app. And it's just a little case that I carry all my electronics in, my earphones and my charger. Very compact. And so I also have in here my mini iPad, and I got this case right here from Five Below, and I really like it. It fits my iPad perfect. So I have that in there. And the very last item I'm going to share with you guys is this travel packing cube. And I actually got this travel packing cube from, I think I ordered it off of Wish. And it came with several little, I think I got, in the pack it came about 5 to it. It's not like my eBay packing cube, but it'll work. So I'm going to show you everything that I have in here. As you see, I still got a lot of room to pack more items, but this is just for a weekend, so I didn't want to pack too much inside. So I'm going to open it up so you guys can see everything that I have in here. As you see, it opens up really nice. Okay, so I got that open up. On top here, I just have a cute little dress that I got from Target. It was on sale, so I'll be wearing this probably in the evenings if me and my husband go out to dinner. And I think I only paid, let me see how much I paid because I still have the tag on. I only paid $6.88, guys, for this dress. And it is a cute dress for the summer. Like I said, I'll probably be wearing it when me and my hubby go out. And next, I just have like a t-shirt. I'll probably put another t-shirt in here so I have more options, and maybe another top. And then I have some jeans and jean shorts with a little distressing here on the pockets, and I got these from Boohoo. And then I have a little short outfit, and I got this from, I think I got this from, if I'm not mistaken, I got this from New York and Company. I think it was. No, I actually got this from Old Navy. I'm sorry. This came from Old Navy, and it's just a little tank top, as you see, and then it has the matching shorts. So this will be a cute little outfit. And then I have my cover up here. This is just a plain black cover up. And right here I have one swimsuit, because whether you're at the beach or at a hotel, most likely you're going to want to go to the pool. And then I have my sleepwear. So I'm going to sit all this stuff to the side because I'm going to have to fold it back up and put it inside. But I just want to show you guys everything that I had inside of this tote. And right here on the bottom, these are some of the little totes that came with the packing cubes. And like I said, I got them off Wish. They were very inexpensive. And I'm going to open up here. And inside I have some flip-flops. I don't know about you guys, but I always take a pair of flip-flops to wear in the shower. Always take a pair of flip-flops whether I'm going to be wearing them around or in the shower. I never get in any hotel shower without a pair of flip-flops. So that's what I have inside of here. And then I have some sandals that I feel would go with anything, any outfit that where I'm putting on the little dress, or if I'm putting on the short sets. I felt that these pair of shoes would go with anything. And then when I'm traveling, I'll be wearing some sneakers, my Converse. I'll probably have some tights and a t-shirt and my Converse. So, and that's what I have inside of this tote here. And as you see, it fit perfect inside of here. And that's about all I probably would put inside of there. And I laid that flat inside of the packing cube and placed my other items, my clothing items on top of that. So guys, that's it for this video. I just want to show you everything that fit in this tote here that I got from Victoria's Secret. To me, it's the perfect tote to take on a weekend getaway. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment, share, but most of all, subscribe, because I would love to have you guys a part of my YouTube channel. And as always, guys, please stay blessed. Bye, guys.